Hi, welcome to Shalini Futique. This is Shalini. Today I am going to show you Valepu vada recipe. So for this vadas, I soaked some chana dal. I soaked it around for 3 hours. Along with that, I soaked some red chilies according to your taste. I took 1 cup of chana dal, and here this we need to grind. Along with this, we need to grind ginger and garlic. 2 inches of ginger and 4 cloves of garlic. We need to grind this dal and ginger garlic without water. We need to make a coarse paste, not like a paste. We need to grind coarse. We need to grind this dal. Then I have some other ingredients to mix with. Have some vadapu vada, that banana flour. I cut and I squeeze out the water, and here I have around 1 cup, and I have around 1 cup of chopped onions and some coriander leaves, and I have some fennel seeds, that is somph, and salt. That's all. These are the ingredients we need to make this vada. It's very simple and tasty. I don't like to add more masalas. Like if you like, you can add some cloves and a small piece of cinnamon. You can grind along with this dal, and if you want more spicy, you can add chopped green chilies. But today I'm going to use only these ingredients: dal and this and this. Now I'm going to grind this dal and this ginger garlic. Our dal mixture is ready. See, I ground it with ginger, garlic and red chili. Now I am going to add all these ingredients into this bowl and mix it. Onions, coriander leaves and this banana flour and some salt. I mixed it well with my hands, like really well. Now what I'm going to do, make balls out of it. Like this, and keep it ready to fry. See, while grinding the dal, I did not add any water. Just that soaked water was enough to grind it. Otherwise it will be watery. So make the balls as much as you need for one batch to fry, and keep it ready. On the other side, I kept my oil to heat. The oil is hot now. See, I took the ball in my one hand. See, in my palm I'm keeping the ball. Just press it flat. Add it to the oil. I'm repeating. Add the ball in your palm. Press it and add it. I'm pressing it little thin so that you will get crispy vadas. Now let it cook. See, you can see the bubbles in the oil. You need to cook the vadas until the bubbles lower down. Now I am flipping the vadas. Flip it and cook for 1 more minute, 1 or 2 minutes. The vadas are ready now. You can take it out and serve.